Hi, my name is Declan Sammon and I'm Merthyr Tydfil County Borough Council's Cabinet Member for Transformation, Governance and Social Partnership. I've been a councillor since 2017 and I'm a ward member for Dowlais and Pant. Within my portfolio area, we cover corporate planning, performance and policy, workforce development, legal services, communications, consultation, emergency planning, business continuity, public protection and enforcement. Fly tipping enforcement is a huge priority for us, and we're working hard to combat the issue within Merthyr Tydfil. We're currently looking at different ways of carrying out investigations, how to tackle rogue waste carriers, enforcement and prosecutions. We can't sit back and allow the minority to destroy the fantastic work being done in the county borough. If you fly tip in Merthyr Tydfil, there is a high chance that you will be caught, taken to court and named and shamed. In 2024, we consulted with residents on the issue of dog fouling in our communities. You spoke and we listened. And from the 1st of September 2025, a public spaces protection order is in place in Merthyr Tydfil, so that anyone who doesn't clean up after their dog can face a fine of up to £1,000. Community safety is also high on our priority list. We have some of the best CCTV in Wales, and we want to make sure everybody feels safe in our county borough, whether you live here, work here, or are visiting from other areas. Your safety is our priority. Our town centre wardens are working hard to make sure people feel safe in our town centre, and we're working with the police on several initiatives to tackle antisocial behaviour, including the illegal use of off-road vehicles. The local authority isn't against the use of these vehicles, but they need to be used legally or they will be taken away from you. This year, the council has started a period of transformation to make it a council that's ready for tomorrow. We want to focus on a future that's responsive, inclusive, and built on the strengths of those who contribute to it every day. To do this, we're currently working to identify and develop areas to allow us to transform, and we'll share more information on this as we go along our journey. We know that communications and engagement is key to our success, and we're working on better ways to keep you informed and engaged. Did you know that you can get involved in local democracy by asking a question, adding an item to a forward work plan, or attending a public meeting in person? You can also join our adult or youth residence panels and have your say on every survey that we do. Please visit our website for more information. It's been a pleasure to work for residents in my role as a councillor over the past 8 years, and I very much look forward to continuing this as part of a cabinet who are working to make Merthyr Tydfil the best it can be.